Good evening, everyone. I wanted to do a quick update and a little short video about my heater here, the Dyna-Glo. If you've got a confined space, such as a garage like this, here's Stella, here's the Moto Guzzi, this is my garage. It is 45 degrees outside, so I ran this, I don't know, an hour, 2 hours ago, cut it off, it got up to 70 degrees in here pretty damn quick. But I wanted to show you a little bit about it. I'll show you temperature over here. All right, so here's the temperature in the shop right now, so 60 degrees. But anyway, so here's Stella, just trying to get her ready for Nationals. And so here's the heater. It's a Dyna-Glo. I think it says it is 60,000, 60K. This is something I bought last year when I was working out here in the garage. But anyway, I got the gas tank outside, and I have used this last winter and still on a cylinder for this season. So anyway, it heats up a garage very well. The heater is designed to use indoors. I've got a carbon monoxide detector right here in green with 0 reading. So I always run that just to be sure. But yeah, if you need a little shop heater that will actually heat up pretty daggum quick, I run this for probably 20-30 minutes, and then I kick it off, and the garage will stay. It's been what, 2 hours, and it's dropped 10 degrees in here. So, and again, I don't have insulated doors. These are just metal doors with no insulation panels on them. So anyway, I wanted to show that. Very easy setup here. So once you plug it in, I'll cut it off. So you plug it up. I've obviously hooked to the gas line. At this point, you hear the igniter going. Push this in, and it ignites. Hold it for about 30 seconds. Then you can release. The lowest setting is 40. We have 50. And we have 60. I've never run it on 60. It gets too hot too fast. So here's some little instructions on it. But Dyna-Glo, if you're looking for one, I got this one from Northern Tool. It was less than $100, and it's a great addition. Heck, even if you're having to work outside and just point it at you. But a great little heater for the garage, as you can see. Just doing some work out here, preparing Stella for Nationals. Anyway, guys, hey, be sure to check out my other videos. I'm gonna put a couple links of them over here and here, so be sure to check that out. Be sure to hit like and subscribe, and thanks for joining me on this little short video. I had actually this planned last year, but just time got away from me. But anyway, Northern Tool, I'll try to find it, put a link down in the description where you can find this. But hope everyone's safe. Again, as always, be sure to hug someone and tell them you love them. They just might be needing that today. So thanks for watching, and be sure to comment. Do you have any kind of heating issues in your garage? If so, check this out. Thanks again. I'll see you soon.